Good evening, friends. Today's topic is blood supply of femoral head in children. Different age group have different combination of blood supply. So, 0 to 4 month lateral epiphyseal vessel, which is a branch of retinacular vessel, plus metaphyseal vessels supply to femoral head. Total number of arteries supplying in this age group is 2 arteries. In 4 month to 4 year age group, lateral epiphyseal vessels play a major role, but metaphyseal vessels have less role due to appearance of growth plate. Growth plate prevent from supplying metaphyseal vessels to head. Again, in this age group, 2 arteries supply to femoral head. In age group 4 to 8 year, only one vessel, that is lateral epiphyseal vessels, which supply to femoral head, but metaphyseal vessel has no role. Why? Because growth plate is fully formed, and this growth plate prevent metaphyseal vessels from supplying to femoral head, and this age group is very unique. Only one artery supply to the femoral head. So this age group is most common age group for Perthes disease, that is avascular necrosis of femoral head. Next age group is 8 to 10 year. In this age group, again lateral epiphyseal vessels play major role, metaphyseal vessels has no role, but another vessels, that is called artery to ligamentum teres, or also called as foveal artery, appears in this age group. This is in this age group, again 2 arteries supply to femoral head. In adolescents age group, lateral epiphyseal vessel has major role, and metaphyseal vessels again reappear in this age group because growth plate disappears as physis fused, and now there is no obstacle for metaphyseal vessel to supply femoral head. And foveolar artery, or the artery to ligamentum teres, also included in this age group, which forms anastomosis with lateral epiphyseal vessels. Actually, the anastomosis begins to form in 8 to 10 year age groups. So in this age group, all 3 vessels supply to femoral head. Thank you.